United Airlines is set to partner with Apple on the redevelopment of the airline's terminal at San Francisco International Airport. The two United States-based companies are collaborating on the project following their strong history together. So, what's this all about? Well, let's find out. It has been reported that discussions about the revamp have only just begun between the pair. However, United Executive Vice President Linda Jojo has revealed that Apple has already been on site at the Californian hub. The Apple team in San Francisco has been in our baggage hold areas, customer service, and the lobbies, Jojo shared. The executive didn't want to give away too much about the details as the companies continue to iron out specifics about the work. Although due to the sections of the terminal looking dated at current, Apple is likely to use its innovation for a redesign. The tech firm is famed for its creativity and sleekness, something which the airport terminal would benefit from. Terminal 3, which is formerly dubbed the North Terminal, is the fifth largest hub for United. In addition, it is the airline's primary trans-Pacific gateway. This building was opened 48 years ago in 1971. Therefore, it is now the perfect time for a restructure before it celebrates its 50th birthday. Additionally, early this year, United shared that Apple spends $150 million annually with the airline. Among many other regular flights, this figure includes 50 business seat tickets per day from San Francisco to Shanghai. This service alone contributes $35 million a year to Apple's expenses. Other revamps. United isn't the only stakeholder at San Francisco Airport that's been working on the redevelopment at the location. Earlier this month, the airport itself revised its gate numbering system. This $9 million task was implemented by the airport in a strategic move. Moreover, officials believe that the new alphanumeric gate numbering system will help passengers find their way through the building. We have to wait and see how much of an influence Apple has on the redesign. Nonetheless, by consulting this technological powerhouse, United may be looking to implement new smart devices and wireless systems for crew and passengers alike. The two groups could also be considering the development of IoT technology at the site. United has also had a busy few days of announcements in regards to redesigns on its aircraft. This weekend, it shared that it is set to roll out Polaris business seating on its Boeing 787-8 and 787-9 aircraft. Along with this, it announced that it will retrofit aircraft with larger overhead storage bins to reduce congestion. So, what do you think of this partnership by Apple and United? I think it's very innovative, and the airline is looking to stretch the passenger experience on the ground to be its best it can be. Let me know what you think in the comments, as I'd love to know. But that's all for today, so I'd like to thank you as always for taking your time out to watch this video. So if you liked it, drop a thumbs up and consider subscribing to keep up with the latest in aviation. Clicking the bell to be the first one to know when a new video is out. So, until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.